Of course, Sexcii Rae supposed to put me up on her page. Because them like edit people wrong. I want them know that Sexcii Rae bleed. Sexcii Rae go cut your fibroids and mind cancer. Remember fibroids cancerous. Not gonna herbal doctor because you got piss out gall in a backline it go melt. Remember you got piss out gallstone in a backline it go melt. Not gonna herbal doctor. Go to a good physician, go to a good doctor, somebody who study. Your blood around like the Red Sea. Yeah. Me don't know out of you are pink wall, which one are sicker than parrot. Me don't know, cause Sexcii Rae bleed harder than salt mackerel. That's why man don't name salt mackerel, because man say salt mackerel say blood. Sexcii Rae you them see it with blood wobbling and do it. Yeah. Remember for that area me I walk a look enemy, me not walk a look friend. For that area, me a walk a look enemy. Me a buy enemy. You know some girl walk and buy friend? For that area nurse, me a walk a buy enemy. Me don't want nobody like me. Me don't want nobody like me. You're so good, Ray. Yeah, cause you so good happy, that's why your name Ray. You so cocky very happy, Ray. Remember, thank you. Me don't want nobody like me. One thing with me never born for people love me. Me don't have no fat job. You say, chugo, no. Leg up on my face and go suck your mother. Yo, look on my face. Yeah, but you know, just be sorry. Leg on me. Leg on me. Yeah, only in the comments very gullible, that's not what? Andrew Holness is too wicked and lie. Stop use my prime minister name. You sir, stop use my prime minister name and go suck out your mama. But you're going to use your same board money. You're not a little bit of time to not come like cheesy blase. Move. Go use your same board money and go free Ivani. Talk to RT boss. He might call it. Somebody from my program with Andrew on his profile and name. When I do the prime minister body and move your nastiness. Boy, you will be using your same board money. Move your nastiness. Andrew busy. Andrew is very busy. Yeah. But with immediate effect. Thank you anyways, Mr. Holness. Oh, she be a deal with I want piss up. Hey, sometimes we eat my life, you know? Sometimes we eat my life. If it's true. You know, hey, them people are panties are wicked. Hey, one of the big boy, but oh, she be a deal with me so much. Hey, I tell you that one now. Well, sir, Andrew, me there cause Rosealee. You can't send one fire truck go wash off her bed foot. Rosealee na dream, all she a dream a mud. Me I want if a big Miss Piggy. Eh? You know you have a little Miss Piggy? Me I want if Rosealee a big Miss Piggy. So Mr. Holness, like how you there here. Please me I beg you. You don't have no fire truck with liquid can go on go wash off she, her man and her picnic and the house. Please. And Rosealee own up. The man tired of Rosealee. The man tired of steam rice. The man tired to eat rice. The slim man belly puff. The man give a Samaritan picnic. The man belly puff Rosealee. Every day you want to sit down and eat rice. Who knows if you not kill off Rosealee? Though I'm missing you, although so me know me lose a friend, Rosealee, rice I go kill you. Starch I go kill you, Rosealee. No, for true. Them have a movie when named Dead Man Walking. Rosealee a dead man sitting. You know, Rosealee dead. Rosealee when I say go doctor, go check for your breathing. When you lay down for your back, you're supposed to hyperventilate. Cause there's a rush hour.
When you work, you know.
No, but then, Michelle, when fat people lay down on them back, you know, especially when you're overweight, did you know that you hyperventilate? Yes. Yeah, it says you cut off your circulation, you cut off your breathing. I want to give Rosealee my ankle socks. I want to hide her ankle. Oh yeah. No, for sure. And you want to argue with people. Starch I go kill you, Rosealee. Starch I go be the death of you. You see if me no make your pressure kill you, me know starch I go kill you. But I feel like starch I go kill you first. Yeah man, I feel like starch I go carry you home. You know, sometimes you can't see where I go kill you. Like the gunman them say bullet. The cowboy them say arrow and the Indian them say bullet too. Yeah man, starch I go take home Rosealee. Starch. And the people who they play your program, Rosealee, eat you. Rosealee, you know, say you say rat and roach in your house. And it's you cause it if you only clean out under your bed. You know say roach a beat Rosealee? And rat. Then you can imagine when the rat run over her foot.
You need a terminator.
Yeah man, she done exterminated to get rid of all of those. Rosealee, oh you have rat, you don't know how to get rid of rat? Pick up the papers lying on the ground, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. Pick up the papers lying on the ground. You don't know how to get rid of them something there? Rat I go beat you, rat I go bite Chantel. Cause rat blow up in and numb the spot. So after the mark them when you see on Chantel is not birthmark, is rat mark. Mind you make rat teeth your children them. Mind you make rat go home with your children. All the little son, mind you make rat eat out him anus. Then me no know how Rosealee argue with me and she asleep with leptospirosis. Rosealee not have running water. So you can imagine how Rosealee infected, you're full of underline. Oh God, the children them, oh no. Rosealee me afraid. She can't bend and pick up. Rosealee can't bend and Rosealee have so much luggage in front of her. Oh Rosealee for bend. Oh Rosealee for bend now people. Me say at summertime now when Rosealee live a sea view upon the banks. Which by Rosealee live beside the rubbish pan. Remember saying sea view back and Riverton City back the dump in a one. Rosealee can't talk to me. Remember which part Rosealee live? I better Rosealee can do if you live beside garbage pan, boy, if you learn better. Rosealee, I never want to cuss you this morning because I'm feeling good. Nina Simone. from your gate, Rosealee. Remember you live behind Riverton City Dump. Remember behind Riverton City Dump you live. Remember which part you live, housing trust now have it from the map now the government. Remember which part you live name capture. I occupy. Where you say Rosealee? Worse like a stew peas me I cook to them I feel re-energized. And the food no come here, tell them I'm not even start. But I feel re-energized. Every girl has sport good bed. Rosealee, you can't argue with nobody. Show me your chest of jaws. Not drying, but jaws. Show me your chest of jaws. Every girl have big dresser with how much mirror. I reflect on them. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who's the tightest of them all. No must she be. Rosie, come now talk to me. Every girl have them something there. Where your dresser there, you're 30. You're 30, I look on 31. Where your dresser there, where your dresser there. Where Shanti has store her clothes in a Rosie, I want strip. I want strip and show you how me heal from chicken pox. Every girl have a setting and them also could have one piece where you're one there, game chair. You mad? You say you're 30, Rosealee, you're not living a style. You're living a spoil. You mad, Rosie? Oh, if you talk to me. When I go to Zoom again, hey, I don't remember what Zoom, baby. Oh, you're 30, it look like you could have the internet. Rosealee, you're 30 and it look like you're the mother for the internet. And you want to argue with me, Rosealee, you can't talk to me because I have backup things. Everything for me, backup. Oh. Rosealee, show me your fridge. Show us your fridge. Open it and slam it. You don't have to make we hear it. Make we hear your fridge. We don't want to see it. Because we don't want it to look like a white fridge like Cheesy Blase. You're supposed to still arrest things in an igloo. Yeah, come on, go like you can't argue with people, Rosealee. Go on here, girl. You're just big stink and careless. You're not crippled. You're just worthless. And you want to argue with people, you should have shame yourself. Rosealee, you for shame yourself. Both sides and ambition, you for shame. Yeah, you can't talk to nobody at all, Rosealee. Nobody, no bill now coming to your name. You're not paying no bills. No bills, Rosealee, now coming to your name. Waterman no know you're not light, man. Oh. You not paying no bills. No bills. How much dryer is she use? She be answering me now, what you say? More want one picture with you. Oh, you gonna get it, you better take it now. That pose is nice. So you in New York and me there Dubai and you want one picture with me. Oh, we work out that now. Lady with the education. Oh, we work out that. You want a picture with me and you, me in a Dubai and you there in New York. Oh, you want the picture with me, miss? Or you just want me to acknowledge you? I don't understand. Someone come like, when I come here for done me.